Awakening of the autonomous gear economy. Despite the well-known pitfalls of a capitalist economy, the populations of many nations continue to bask in the benefits stemming from the initial economic boom. It's akin to someone acknowledging their entanglement in marijuana addiction, being unable to break free, and persisting in excessive indulgence. For instance, those who inhabited Western countries during the Industrial Revolution relished a high standard of living. Nevertheless, they now grapple with challenges tied to excessive consumption and meager income. Rethinking traditional economic models becomes imperative in light of historical experiences, aiming to meet evolving demands and forge a more just and sustainable future. Given that capitalism, socialism, and communism do not seem to be able to provide a decent life or lasting prosperity for the masses, we might venture a concept for an alternative to the established economic models: autonomous gear economy.